you will know that in the end, it's that one individual. That one individual that has passion. That one individual that has fire in the belly. That one individual that's determined that something should be done. And you have heard this afternoon from 3 such passionate individuals. And so I applaud very much Future for Nature's policy in supporting those in people and in picking them out. They were the people that, given the strength and given the wherewithal and given the financial backing, will get things done. And that's what this Future for Nature has seen and has instituted, and which I believe is one of the most effective ways in which you're going to be able to care for the environment which worries us so much at the moment.